Today we're doing the Ukrainian borscht. This is famous Ukrainian dish, and this borscht is doing with meat. In old times, borscht was doing in stove, and we're doing this dish in oven. Previously, I boiled the meat. Meat can be different, chicken, veal, etc. So we put it on the bottom of the pot. Then we put in potatoes, shredded cabbage. Then we put carrots, it's grated, and don't stir it. Then we put a bit and chopped onions. Then we take tomato paste, then we need spices, a little pepper, a bay leaf. We can put different spices like hops sonelli or other spices for borscht. And of course salt. Then we need water, and we have to fill it almost to the top. Then cover it with a lid and put it in the oven. We need 180 degrees. The heat has to go above and below. The result of our meeting, flavorful dish. To the plate can be added a cream, chopped green and other. Bon appetit!